Hey friends, Lucian here with the Bullish Bears team, making the watch list video for Thursday, November 9th. Man, everything's already almost winter time here now. It's crazy. You start to lose track of time. Kind of crazy. It's almost the holidays here. So, my goodness, let's get right into it here. Let's go over here to tomorrow, change it from the 8th to the 9th. Every day just goes by so quickly. So hopefully these watch list videos are helping you guys. Again, repetition is the key. So just watch them over and over and over. Watch our previous ones. I'm just literally, like just going over basically support and resistance over and over and over and over and over again in every watch this video. So basically, you're just looking at daily breakouts, right? Or you're looking for stocks that are potentially looking to break out every single day on a daily chart, and then you're looking on the intraday charts, looking at a 5-minute setup, seeing if the 5-minute setup is good, and then looking for your entries and exits based upon the 1 minute and looking at level 2 in time and sales. We are working behind the scenes on getting a really good basic day trading course set up. We have a lot of the videos already uploaded to YouTube, but I'm looking to format it into a day trading course. So we have our momentum trading course over on our website, which is more of the advanced strategies, but I'm working on doing some videos. I'm putting it all together for the basics. So we'll basically have a good basic day trading course. Then I'll revise our momentum one to get the advanced ones in there. So lots more content coming, guys. So that's why you probably haven't heard from me as much, because my brain is working on all this other stuff here. So again, when I'm making these videos, again, just really pay attention to these. It's the same thing every day. It's just being mentally prepared, making a watch list at night, looking at pre-market movers, watching trade ideas. Again, trade ideas. I keep saying it over and over and over again. We cannot live without trade ideas because a lot of these ones you'll see at night here, some of them take a little bit of time to move in the morning. You'll see a couple of them that will do really good throughout the morning, but then a bunch really won't do as well. But trade ideas having a live scanner will catch which ones are really running. So again, if you want to pick up trade ideas, our link is below. It is our scanner of choice, and it's awesome. Thinkorswim has some decent scanners, not as good as trade ideas. And yes, it does cost some money. It's about $100 or so a month for their basic scanner, but it's highly worth the money. So let's get into see if I'm going to keep any of these here from what I was looking at today. Let's see here. NPTN. Let's see here. You have 3. Am I going to keep that one? Potentially. Let's see here. It's got that little wick one. There's little wicks like that really bother me because you just you see it go to break here, but then you got to be aware of that one as well. So, what the heck? This one's driving me nuts already, so I'm not going to put it on. NPTN, no. BLOSF. Use Canadian pot stocks. Nope. PRCP, terrible volume. Look at that. Still went up. Just terrible volume. It's tough to trade these like this. It's like when you don't have much volume like this, it gets at a peak. It's just these are just you got to be careful of the traps on this. It's a good potential short, but how do you? It's tough to trade one like this. Look at it. It just didn't do much of anything. It just traded sideways. So you got to be very careful on the entries, and volume is key on getting in these stocks. Volume is very, very, very key. So you need the volume to get them to go, to get these stocks to move. So you'll see a lot of red on these ones today that were on the watch list. That's why trade ideas is very important. Let me see here. So it looks like I'm not keeping hardly any of these. Speaking of which, let me look at the ones that I was looking at with trade ideas today. Not that one. That one, potentially. So FRTA, you'll see this. It's already gone, basically filled the gap. So now, let's see if it's a potential continuation up. And I like it because it's going to be right at a... Whole dollar amount. I put it at like, what is this one? Hold on, let me remove this. Where is that? 803. And so, perfect example. I'll put that at 804, create an alert, because that looks like it was the high of the day today, 804. So, at or above 804 for a potential continuation. The gap did fill, and you can see the support right basically at this base of this gap here. And you can see some resistance right around 930. What is this one? 8. It's got some potential room to run. So FRTA is one to watch. Let me just go and let me do that over again. I always like to reset my alerts every day. So let's do that again. 804. At or above 804. All right, so FRTA, that's going back on there. Let's go to TCS. Yeah, it looks like that one will go as well. Let's remove. So at or above 523. Sometimes this drawing tool set really drives me crazy. Some support there. What is some resistance? Probably 550s area. And obviously $6. Whole and half dollar amounts are psychological support and resistance areas. So you got some, so annoying. So let's move this, color code it. I like to get a better visual. So I'd put it at or above 523 for some continuation. Careful of some resistance around 550 and $6. You can see some of that area there in the jumbleness. TCS. All right, move that. MBI, nope. IZEA, nope. OPHT. So these were all ones right here. These ones I'm looking at, I have targeted. These were off trade ideas. So these FRTA and TCS were on trade ideas this morning. They were not on my watch list last night. And the only way to find them is by having a scanner like Trade Ideas. So as you can see, FRTA, look at that. Look at that move today. That moved up, $5.10 to $8. It was a $3 move today, right off Trade Ideas. Same with TCS, $3.79 to $5.23. Again, Trade Ideas cannot live without that scanner. So let me take a look, see some of these ones that were the highs of the day, and then we'll pull up some ones, some of the new ones. Whoa, my goodness. Wow. Look at that. Cone, huh? Look at it. It went all the way up right to $8, and it gave it all back at the end of the day. But this is definitely one to keep an eye on, and I like it. Look at this, right where these, look at these wicks right over here, right? I like how it finished right near those wicks. So I'm going to put... where is it? At or above 5. What is this here? 566. I'm going to put at or above 566 as an alert. Let's see here. Obviously, you can see some, 747, $8. Crazy. Just kind of gave it all back. You can see some support. Right in these areas here. Obviously $5. I'd put, there's support here, and I put it at, $5 is going to be, I'm just going to remove this one. So obviously if it breaks 566 area, this whole wick will be extremely volatile if it goes up. If it falls back, obviously $5 is definitely a support area. You can see these wicks down here as well. But cone, definitely worth watching. KONE, ONCS, VBLT. That's about to break a yearly high. Let me also go over to DOS, make sure there's no 5-cent spreads on these. KONE, FRTA, and TCS. All right, so those are all good. So potentially yearly breakout right here above 735. Let's take a look at the weekly charts. That could be a breakout right above there. That could be a decent breakout. So let's take a look here and put an alert at or above, and it's good. It's like right near support level here too. I'd put some, yeah, $7. I'd put psychological support area. Let's see, what is that wick there? Actually, I put it right at top of that wick right here. So that's some support. I'd put at or above 735. Obviously, be careful of $7.50 and $8 if it moves up. Change the color on that. So VBLT. Let's see, GSV. No. All right, so let's take a look and see any new ones here. Nightly scan. KBSF. There's a good one. So no coincidence that finished right below 821. Where is that? 834 is that? 840. I'm going to put at or above 850. It's so hard to move my cursor sometimes. It's so sensitive to do this thing. So KBSF might be one to watch at or above 850 if it goes up. I mean, obviously, if it breaks above today's close, 822, but I'd like to see it above. What is that? 850. Some huge resistance up here. I mean, you can see like in these wicks here. I mean, this can just it could move. I mean, like whole and half dollar amounts. You just got to watch out. This thing could just, like you see, the volatility. Look at how crazy the wicks are on this. So some support here right around $6, $6.50. Obviously, 750-ish area. So lots of support. Got to get above that 850, and then it's kind of a crapshoot from there. But it's one to watch. Obviously, it's super low float. So KBSF. Cohen already put on ONCS. Let's see. No. MSDI. Look at that breaking over $1. Let me just take a look over here. VBLT. Up 5C. That's a 5-cent mover. Nope. Good. Get rid of it. Cone. KBSF. KBSF. Okay. Okay. MSDI, let's take a look at that one. MSDI, perfect. That's okay. Perfect for a break of, say, 105. Some resistance right here at 126. 150-ish area. So there's definitely some decent resistance. So, this is a possible hold over $1. Look, it stayed right at $1. Definitely some areas up that you got to be careful of. Some support. So put at or above $1. Just to keep an eye on that one. Actually, I put at or above $1.05. MSDI. FRTA, I already have that, yep. IZEA, nope. Depot, drop right down at the end of the day. No, DGLY, you ain't got no alibi. Yeah, ugly. Not gonna put that one on. Wait, am I going to put that one on? Nah. It's got some resistance up there. GNMK. Nope. ENPH. Nope. PANL. This looks like a 5-cent mover or spread. What is this one? PANL, PANL. Oh, maybe not. $3.99. Did that get? Nah. MITK, that's over $10 or at $10. I don't want to trade it. CAPR, OPHT, HTGM, SNES, Crocs, Cassie. Nope. DGSE, NPTN, VICL. I don't like ones that have 5 symbols. I don't trade them. Icon. Givo. Nope. CALX. This one might be a 5-cent spread. Let's see. CALX. Yep. IMDZ. Nope. TNDM. ADOS. ARQL. CCLP. GoGo. Nope. BLASF. Nope. SNGX. No. TEUM. Nope. RNN. No. PXLW. Nope. DF. PSDV. PYDS. Hope you guys are watching. So basically I'm looking for like overhead resistance areas. So where I look at some of these, like just that choppiness above here, don't like it, you know, something like this, DF, it's got these resistance, the EMAs above it. That's why I'm skipping through some of these. WWR, nope. RAS, nope. KEYW, no. Let's see any yearly lows one. Let's see if any of these look good. XCO, looking to see anything that's potentially really selling off and might be reversing. Nope. MCF. Don't love these ones. Wow, look at that, huh? My goodness, look at that drop. Whew. Ouch. RSLS. I'm just going to keep these ones on the watch list for right now. Not as many. Again, you're going to get days like this. Let's take a look at the SPX. So, I mean, it's, you know, basically at yearly highs. It's just riding the 9. So, kind of when you get sideways like this, sometimes, you know, it gets a little choppy. Again, at all-time highs. So, that's why you need something like Trade Ideas. Hey, there's only 5 on here tonight that I kind of liked. That's why we use our Trade Ideas scanner to find whatever's running. You know, that's why it's super important to have a great scanner. And again, we can't live without Trade Ideas. So we do have, again, discount for Trade Ideas below. We get you a 15% one-time discount, whether it's off of 1 month of service or you obviously get a better deal if you pay for the year up front for Trade Ideas. If you get Trade Ideas, you're not going to want to return it anyway because it is the best. So obviously the best deal is for a year ahead if you pay for it. But our affiliate link for Trade Ideas is below with the promo code. See here if I'm keeping any of these. Nope. All right, let's see if there's any decent swing trades to look at. Start with that one. I just have a few different swing trades. It's not as easier. You're just kind of like, I have several different ones to look at, so I'm just seeing if anything. Did that one fill? That filled a gap. Let me see if that's a potential. Excuse me. So this one, the heck. So this one could potentially move. I like how it finished right above a whole dollar amount. So I'd put at or above, or like filled the gap, and it's above a whole dollar amount. So I'd put an alert at or above 50.10. That might be worth watching for MLNX. Oops. So obviously this $50 level, if anything, if it price breaks above that level and falls below, that's bad. So I would be very careful and get out. But I mean, it's got some, it's got some room to run up here. There's some choppiness within here, but there's $2 to $3 potential, obviously with some choppiness in here. But if it breaks above 50.10 and goes, there might have some potential to go up a little bit further. Got to watch it. And definitely make sure to take your profits along the way. MLNX. No. Nope. Let's see. Nope. Let's see how close. 32.28. Let's see. 32.28. And it's still a little bit of a ways. Keep an eye on that one. I'm not going to put it on. It's got a breakthrough there. So EQT, no. Let's see here. So 46.19. What's up here? 46.70, and not that much movement. not that much area to profit. All right, so not that scan. Let's try this one. Some of them will be duplicates, so we'll see if anything pops up differently. What is this one? Third, no. Nothing here. Nothing very great. Again, swing trades, you don't want a ton of them anyway. Just like day trades, you want to take one at a time. Swing trades, one, maybe two. Be careful with them. And obviously, it depends on the market. You got to watch what's happening within the market. And that's what keeps things going. Let's see here. Is this one worth 14? Still far away. ATVI. No. $16.22. Let's see. Oh, that's 16. Let's see here. So 24.54. Let's see here. Not as much profit potential. Not loving these setups. DB. Nope. 32.15. Let's see, 33. And it's not that much room. I would potentially take something like this if it had a few dollars or so movement, but it only had like $1 or so. Nothing there. Let's try one more scan. Again, you don't want to take a trade just to take a trade. Now, some of these you could take and you could do puts on them and stuff, but I'm just, we'll probably end up doing a list like that for you guys down the road. Right now, we're just trying to keep things bullish. This one's a potentially good one. Here we go. There we go. 26.46. That's a good one. Potentially. So at or above 26.46. Just broke right above that 50 or that 200 SMA. They're right around 26.21. It's got some room. You know, there's obviously definitely some resistance through these areas here, but it's got some room to run. It's just closing above the EMAs. So it's one to watch. MXL. MTCH. Oh, got that one on there already. Nope. That might be a put play. Keep an eye on this one. This could eventually come down at some point. It's overbought. And there we go. All right, so we'll have a couple on there for tomorrow. So those are the watch lists. Again, that's why we have trade ideas to find plays, because you can only take what the market gives you. So if you're not a member of our Facebook community yet on Facebook, obviously come and join us. We are the Bullish Bears. We call ourselves Stock Market Community on Facebook to differentiate from our fan page. So we have an awesome community. If you follow us, this is the place where you want to post your comments and talk and chat and ask about trade ideas, stuff like that. You don't want to post on those on our fan page because you're not going to get much interaction from people. So post questions, all of those things here in the group. But then on our fan page, looks identical. Again, Bullish Bears. Like and follow our fan page because we post updates over here. Plus, we also post, usually some days a week we miss it, but we post our trade ideas, pre-market movers, and right here in Benzinga. Trade Ideas and Benzinga are our two of our major partners of choice. Trade Ideas is our scanner of choice. Here's our affiliate link. Make sure you click on it. You get a 15% discount if you use Bullish Bears 15 in all caps. Trade Ideas cannot live without it. It is the best scanner, hands down. Benzinga is our live news site of choice. Basically, when breaking news comes out, it hits Benzinga. You can see right here, just give you an example of what we post in the morning, but this happens all throughout the day. They also have something called Squawk, which basically reads out the news to you live. So basically, it's very simple. When a company announces news, it hits news wires, right? So people listen, traders look and listen and watch for newswire services. Once news hits the newswire service, then what happens? They determine whether they're going to get in the trade or not. If they get into the trade, what does that do? It creates volume. And when volume kicks in, what happens next? It hits the scanners. That's where it hits things like Trade Ideas. So that's why Benzinga and Trade Ideas really complement each other. So when news breaks, you can get it breaking, and chances are a lot of times you can get in a position before it hits Trade Ideas. And obviously, if you have position, if you're in a position and then it hits Trade Ideas, then obviously a lot of times, again, Trade Ideas will push those trades up. So, Trade Ideas Benzinga is great for, swing trades, day trades, options, whatever you're looking to do. You can kind of sort everything by price level and stuff like that. So Benzinga and Trade Ideas are awesome. We get you a 15% discount on trade ideas, 25% on Benzinga. We use them both and we love them. So again, make sure that you like and follow our fan page and stay up to date with our trade ideas and Benzinga posts and all the other stuff that we post on our fan page. If you've not been over to our website yet, head over to bullishbears.com. You can join our trade room, or you can join our trading community over here, as well as make sure that you join or subscribe to our watch list and trade alerts over here. So we send out trade alerts with our watch list. We try to send it out every single night, so make sure you subscribe by email here, as well as join our trade room over here. We have a free trade room where you can shadow traders. We have lots of interaction in there on a daily basis. Again, the trade room is free. Also, I want to bring your attention to our trading courses. We're going to be adding some more in here as well in the coming weeks. So we're going to have at least a couple $1,000s worth of trading courses in here. We have a basic course over here, a momentum advanced day trading course. We're working on a basic day trading course right now. We have an options trading course and a Thinkorswim setup course, all for free. It's a couple $1,000s worth of content. Make sure that you head over to our website and take these courses, as well as pay attention to the recent blog posts. We're going to post lots of content. You can see some of our new posts over here in between our videos. We're drawing a lot of your attention over to our blog because we're going to start putting lots of content over there. So our blog is going to be a great resource for you to be able to learn more. Not only are we doing the videos, we're going to be doing lots of blog posts too. So make sure you pay attention to them. So, again, follow us on social media and subscribe to receive an email when we post new posts over here. If you need personal coaching, make sure you click the coaching link. That's pretty much the only thing that we charge for is personal coaching, and we have very reasonable rates. So again, we're all about trying to help all of our community members out. We provide everything for free. We are not membership based. We'd ideally love to stay that way. And the only way we can do that is through everybody's donations. We're looking for everybody to donate a little, not a lot. So if you'd like to donate to us, click the donate tab here. And we have donation options for as low as 1 to 2 trades a month. So, if you're looking to give back, you like what we have to offer, again, we have donation options for as low as the cost of 1 to 2 trades a month. You can donate right here monthly. We would greatly appreciate it. We put a lot of hard work into giving a lot back to you guys. And in return, just like with any church or charity or political organization, we're just looking for donations to grow like everybody else so that we don't have to charge membership fees like everybody else. So we're trying to be different. If you like our model and you like what we're offering, please donate. We would greatly appreciate it. And we have great merchandise over here. If you click on our merchandise tab, we have high quality hats, zip up hoodies, ladies, men's, kids apparel. As you can see, our logo is really in depth. You can come down here. We have ladies apparel. If you click here, you can see all of the ladies apparel. We have so much. We have winter stuff now, so really good quality stuff. Men's apparel over here. If you click on it here, you can see a whole bunch of great stuff that we have here. Our Hope is Real, our Bullish Bears. So you see some great stuff, as well as our hats and hoodies. Let's see here. Look at these high quality hats. I mean, we put a lot of time and effort into all this stuff just to make some really great merchandise for you guys to be proud of. And right over here, mugs, stuff like this. So look at all this. Really great stuff. So make sure you visit our merchandise store because we have lots of great stuff over here. Yeah, so that's it for our website, and make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the notification bell, watch our videos, like them, share them, comment on them. We do our best to provide you lots of great content. So hopefully this video helped you guys, and happy trading tomorrow. Enjoy.